Welcome back to my other video. Thanks for subscribing, liking, and sharing my previous videos. I really appreciate. Yeah. So here I am, I'm back. The next video, and this video is going to be about another Google app. This is going to be Google Drive. Yes, I think we've heard of Google Drive. So this deals with storage. Like it's a service that is offered by Google and deals with storage. So if you have something that you want to back up, maybe it's on your computer, your laptop, you can easily back it up using a Google Drive. You have the desktop version and the mobile version for the phone and laptop. So let's dive into it right now. Um, so come here, Google Apps, click on Google Drive. So before we start to access Google Drive, you should first of all you should have an email account. As you see, I have this email account of mine, and you can interchange them. Like each email account comes with its Google Drive. Okay, Google Drive is that free storage that's given open up a Google that free storage, and as you see here, it's 15 GB per account you create, per Google account you create. So let me take you through on how to use Google Drive. So as you see, this is an account that has been using Google Drive for a while. But when you just open up a new account, of course, you will have nothing, like everything here will be empty. You won't have anything. So now these are files that are in my Google Drive, and I can access them anywhere on any device. Yes. So as I told you, we have a Google Drive for phones, and we have that one for desktop. So as you see here that you can get Drive for desktop, like comes a shortcut. You can make it as a shortcut on your desktop, like access anytime you feel like, instead of going through the browser, access it through the desktop. So yeah, let's click on it. And so here we go. The moment you click on get Drive for desktop, it will take you on this page, and now you can be able to download your desktop Google Drive. So hope you can continue from there on download. Yeah. So back here. So now, how do you upload files into Google Drive? So here is a short way. You can drag files, just dragging files simply. For example, I have here my Word document. I can just drag it here. You see? So after dragging it, it will show you a notification that the upload is complete. And yeah, so now that upload has been uploaded to Google Drive. So as you see here, open a file in Google Documents. So Google Drive is a good storage thing, and you can store each and everything you want. So just showing you how everything is done. Another thing we can do is that you can upload files by dragging, as I've shown you. And another interesting thing is that you can create more folders in Google Drive where you can store your stuffs that you want to upload. You know, you can upload a file, like a file from your computer, like an entire file from your computer, upload it to Google Drive at once. Okay, so let me take you through. For example, I may have a file. I may have a file like this. It's file called Amazing Wallpapers. So I can click on it, open. So I've selected all the files in that folder. As you see, all those files are getting uploaded. So that's a simple way of uploading everything. So as they're uploading, we can continue. Another thing you should know is that Google Drive comes with a 15 GB, as you see, and I've used 6.74 GB, and everything you delete comes here in trash, and these ones are unwanted messages, spams, like, yeah. Then start, like, if you have maybe favorite uh pics or documents, you can start them. Yes, this one shows you the recent documents you've opened. So let me click on this one, and you see. So this one is a pic that I uploaded, and again you can download it back to your device. Here you can open it with any application of your choice. Okay, so you can add it to start, as I've shown you previously. So when you come here to start, it will be it will be sh- uh, it will be shown as a start image. So yeah, I think that's not bad about Google Drive. So make sure that if you have any information on your computer, you pack it on Google Drive, whether photos, whether what documents, just upload them. As we see, I did. So my documents are safe. My certificates, like pics of certificates, PDFs of certificates, are safe this side. So try it out, give it some time and try it out. I appreciate for your time, guys. uh See you in the next video. Yeah.